Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is the video that will teach you how to make the purchase for your child's laptop. First of all, who should be watching this video? If you are a parent who are planning to buy the laptop that is recommended by Spectra over here, and that you are paying yourself, meaning you are not subsidized in any way, you are the right person that should be watching this video. On the other hand, these are the group that who should not be watching this video. So number one, parents who intend to buy their own laptop, let's say from Simlim or from Challenger, you should not be watching this video because you should make the purchase outside yourself. Next one, parents who will be subsidized under the new PC Plus scheme, meaning you should already know who you are now. And you should have been paying the $83 by now. So you shouldn't be watching this video. And next, parents who intend to continue to loan from Spectra, again, you shouldn't be the one watching this video. Next, where to buy the laptop? The purchase will be made online on the website. So this is the link to the website. It's from Acer. And the date that this is so-called open is from 17th May to 9th of June. So we've got a few weeks to make the purchase. Then probably by the time we school reopen, we can give it to you right away. Okay, so there's only one mode of payment. In this case, it's actually through credit card. For all other banks, you have to pay the full amount in one shot. But for Citibank credit cards, you can actually sort of request for a 6 months interest-free installment. You can't do it through online. You got to contact Miss Kimmy, they will arrange for the so-called installment machine to be ready. This is the person to contact. Her contacts are here. So this is her office number, and this is the email. And there's another way to pay, which is through cash. But again, you cannot do it through the website. So you need to be made at the Acer office. So the Acer office is actually at 29 International Business Park. It's somewhere in Jurong near IMM. So same thing, if you need to pay cash, you need to first contact Miss Kimmy first, so that she can be there to set up and get ready to receive the cash. Please do not go there and just want to pay the cash out of nowhere. Lastly, if you want to buy only the laptop over here, that means you're not buying the insurance, you're not buying any other software that comes along with it. You can, but you cannot do it through the website. Again, you need to contact the person and let her know what you want to buy, and then from there she will let you know the cost. Okay, so let's now go to the website. So I'm now at the website, the Acer website, and over here there's a page that says make especially for Spectra, so that we can make the order. So over here you can actually click this link to watch this video on YouTube. The next thing I want to go through is this one. This small print over here that is once you make the purchase, it cannot be cancelled because it's a credit card payment. So once you process, it goes through. To continue, you need to check this one, and then you need to go in. Once you are here, you can actually see that this is the laptop that we are recommending this year. This is the actual laptop that the Sec 1s are all holding on to now from Spectra. So the loan set is actually the one that we are buying. Some of the important things you are buying, to take note, we are having a 256 SSD. This is the fast hard disk where after you press the on button, the whole laptop will be functional in about 5 seconds. Also, you've got the 8 GB RAM. You've got the i5 processor, dual core, and of course you've got the reasonably lightweight 1.5 kg. And then together, the warranty of 3 years, and it's on site. So meaning anything that's wrong with the computer, you just got to give it to the school, and then the Acer will come down to fix it. And this 3-year warranty includes the battery. If the battery is the one that's having the problem, they will also replace the battery, because for batteries usually it's only 1 year warranty, but for this one the 3 years applies to the battery as well. The 3 years warranty also apply to every other thing, like for example the keyboard or some of the audio ports and everything. It covers everything that you can possibly have. The next thing we're getting is also the Corel video editing software, and of course the 3-year accident insurance. This is the one that I explained earlier in the year. There's a zero excess. I'll explain a bit more towards the end of the video. So this will be the total cost, 1273.30. This is inclusive of the GST. These are the more detailed specs. You can take a look here. So once you are ready, you can actually make the order, and it will be shown this page. So this will be the price, and then over here we'll need your information, the parents information, and of course the students information, so that we know who to give it to. And over here is of course the credit card details. So once you are ready with all the details, you can actually press the confirm button and it will go through. So before we end the video, I want to go through some of the insurance policies that I've already explained during registration day. This is a recap. So we're looking at accident insurance that covers things like water spillage and drop. It even includes theft and robbery, but only for forced entry. Okay, so we're looking at $0 per repair and $0 per replacement. Repairs are for repairs, and then replacements are for laptops that are beyond repair, so they will replace another one for you. So this will last for 3 years, or until you replace twice, repair twice, or you replace one time. So for example, if you, let's say you drop once, your first time you repair, it will be $0 free. And then let's say 1 year later you spill water on your laptop and it damaged, and then you can again repair for $0. So now that we have repaired twice, the insurance ends. In the next example, let's say you drop and the whole thing rolled down the stairs. So this is very serious damage, and you need to replace the whole laptop because it's beyond repair. So you can replace it one time, they will give you a new one for $0, and then the insurance ends. So for another example, if you drop it once, the first time you can repair for free, and then let's say 1 year later you drop and it was very badly damaged, and then you need to completely replace, and again you have to pay nothing, but then the insurance will end. Okay, in the last example, let's say you drop it and then you spend $0 repairing, and then after that nothing happens and you graduate from Spectra, and then the insurance ends. So this is what the insurance policy covers. So it's actually very attractive because at some point of time the laptop will be damaged for some reason. So it's very important for us to get the insurance, especially when it's zero excess dollars. Okay, so hope this video has been informative enough. Thank you and bye bye.